Golly, bruh. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, unfortunately, I got in my car today, started that joint up. Daggone PSI on one of my tires is 24. Now, I'm not sure if it's a sensor or if it's just low in air. Now, I had this issue with my RT when I changed the tires, when I put different wheels on it. But this time, this is the OEM wheels. So I'm not sure if it's just the sensors or if I actually got a slow leak. I'm gonna go up here and see what's going on. See, this is one of the things about these cars that a lot of people go through. Everybody deal with it. Hellcats. Oh, it don't matter what trim you got, everybody deal with this. So I'm about to see if I can find a gas station or something, a shop or something that may be open. They can see if they can figure out what's going on. I mean, it ain't no big major issue. I mean, worst case scenario, I got a slow leak and I might have to wait till tomorrow to get it fixed. So I mean, I can't drive my car today. I was actually on my way to wash this joint because it's Sunday. It's actually pretty nice. So I was on my way to wash this joint and I got in here and that joint say 24. I'm gonna show y'all. And I do not like riding around like that. So, like I say, worst case scenario, I'm just gonna go and put some air in it and see if it's a slow leak. Because when I look at the tire is not flat. And I'm gonna pull over, I'm gonna show y'all what the tire looks like. Once it get below 25, that's when the warning light will come on, telling you that you need to put air in your tires. So I'm on my way now to try to find a shop. Hopefully somebody's open, I can find a gas station or something, see if they can figure out what's going on with it. Hopefully, if it is a slow leak, they can patch it and be done with it. Because I am not trying to buy no tires right now. And now that I think about it, I had my tires rotated. And y'all remember I did that burnout. That could have something to do with it. That's why I be telling y'all, man, you can't be doing a whole bunch of burnouts in these cars. Unless you just, you like changing tires, then it don't matter. So anyway, I'm gonna go up there and see what's going on, man. I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Let's go. All right, guys, so I decided to just go up here and see if I can put some air in the tires. Like I said, it's Sunday, ain't even nothing open. So, look like it's $1. Put some air in this drink. All right, I'm gonna show y'all. This junk don't look flat. I mean, it looks low. I don't know because it's slightly on a hill. But it kind of looks a little flat. I don't know, man. I'm gonna turn the car off and see if I can hear anything. Yeah, it looked a little low like this because it's slightly on a little bump, like a hump. But I don't hear nothing, bro. And I definitely don't see nothing. So I'm gonna put some air in this joint and see what happens. Alright guys, I couldn't even get no air because I ain't had no change. So I'm about to go up here and see if this BJ's got a free air pump. Normally they got a free air pump. And I really think it's just a sensor. So I'm probably gonna take it to the dealership tomorrow. Take it up there and tell them what's going on, see if they can check it. And they can also check and see if it's a slow leak. So right now, I'm just gonna go up here and put some air in the tire. I ain't even gonna trip. But like I said, the tire not going flat. It's not going down or nothing. So I'm really thinking it's that sensor. You know, these cars are known for having problems with the sensors, the tire sensors. So it's been a year. So a lot of times them jumps go bad early. So we're gonna see. Right now, I'm just gonna go up and put some air in it. I ain't even gonna trip. I'm still gonna go wash this joint because, like I said, it's not losing air right now. So, put some air in it in the morning. If it light back on, then you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna go ahead to the dealership anyway and let them check it. Like I said, this joint under warranty. I'm not about to be doing no kind of nothing. Take this joint here to the dealership and let them deal with it. So, I'm right here at the BJ's. Found this BJ's, so I'm pretty sure they got an air pump. Let me go. Get over, man. Like I said, there's always something with these daggone cars, man. But this is minor, man. This is minor. Let me see. Oh, I see somebody. Oh my goodness. I see somebody else up here at the air pump. So hopefully this junk free. Not all of them free. But we're gonna go up there and see. So we got a female at the pump right now. think this joint is free. I see the nail right here. Right there in the tire. Damn. Well, y'all saw that, man. I actually do got a nail in my tire. So, golly, bro. I'm hoping they can fix that joint. I hope they can plug it. Probably can't get it fixed today. It's Sunday. I doubt anybody's open. But I'm about to Google tire shop and see if I can find a shop that's open. Usually you can find some joint somewhere. Might have to go in the hood. They always got a tire shop open over that joint. So, yeah, man, I got a daggone, look like a nail in my tire. That's a blower right there, bro. Right when I was about to go wash my car. So I'm about to Google, I'm about to get on my phone and see if I can find a shop that can fix it. So I'll get back with y'all in a minute, man. Let's see if I can get this tire plugged. All right, look like BJ's got a tire shop. So I'm gonna go over here and see if I can catch these bombs. I got like 25 minutes, 20 minutes before they close. Hopefully they not ornery and they'll go ahead and fix this joint for me. Do you know how it is when you be going places right when they about to close? They be trying to act like they don't want to fix this stuff. So I'm gonna ride over and see what they talking about. Hopefully they don't try to charge me an arm and a leg either. Just like I thought, guys, the BJ's buying was talking about they closed. So now I gotta find this. I found this other little shop that's open. That just so happened to be in this area, bro. I'm telling y'all, our people, man. How y'all close? Y'all don't close till 6 and it's 5:35 and you close. I swear, bro. So I'm about to head up here to this other shop, man. Hopefully they can take care of me. Hopefully it's pluggable. You know, sometimes the nail could be in the wrong spot and they can't even plug it. So I'm on my way up here now, man, to this other spot and see if they can plug this tire. All right, guys, I guess while we're on our way up here, man, we can go ahead and talk about this electric muscle car that Dodge is claiming that they're coming out with. And, you know, I've been getting a lot of messages, people asking me my 2 cents about it. And honestly, man, I knew it was gonna happen. I mean, at the end of the day, they gotta adapt, man. They ain't think about us old heads, you know what I'm saying? Like they said in the ad, man, it's all about the new generation. And most of them okay with the electric cars. So they gotta think about the future, man. They're not thinking about us old people who used to these gas guzzling V8s, you know what I'm saying? They not thinking about that, man. They thinking about the future, bro. In all seriousness. And these cars not going nowhere. Gas not going anywhere. You know what I'm saying? I think it's smart for them to add an electric car to the stable. You know what I'm saying? They're not saying that you're not going to be able to buy any more V8s. I don't think that's what they're saying. You know what I'm saying? But they got to adapt, man. They got to move into the future. They can't, people get mad, man, but they got to adapt just like all the other companies are, man. So they got to do what they got to do, bro. Hopefully they come out with a redesign in 2024 along with all the rest of the cars. Oh, look like this dealership got some cars. They got some cars back, okay. Might have to go do a dealership Saturday up there. But yeah, man, they gotta adapt to the future, bro. They, you know, us people, you know, us old heads, we just gotta deal with it, man. It is what it is. They would be crazy not to come out with an electric car. And they gotta call it an electric muscle car because that's what they do. I don't necessarily agree with the muscle part because it's electric, but they got to do what they got to do. So I'm not necessarily upset about it because I get it. And I understand that that's just the times we in, man. Electric vehicles is in. So leave your comments, man. Let me know what y'all think. Like I said, I figured that was coming, man. There's no way that they can continue to just keep making these daggone super gas guzzlers and all the other companies and brands are coming out with these electric cars. And even if they come out with one electric muscle car, like the Rams and all the other SUVs, the crossovers are electric, I'm cool with that. Just give me a muscle car. Just give me at least one muscle car I can get. Whether it be a Challenger, Charger, whatever it may be. All right, man, I'm here. They got me up in the cut, man. Hopefully these bombs can plug my tire, bro. We'll see what happens. That's crazy. That's right. nails on that joint. Huge. Good Lord. This joint open 24 hours. Matt's Tires Auto Service. Anytime y'all in the Glen Burnie area, man, you get a flat, y'all come up here, they take care of you. So I still may be able to make it to the car wash. So we gonna see. Alright guys, so he took care of me, man. I'm good to go now. Let me make sure I'm check my tire pressure. I need to let some of that air out. Too much air in that joint. All the rest of my joints read 34, this joint read 37. Man, this street messed up, bro. Yeah, man, it got me out the way. That was a major blow. I got lucky on that one, bro. Usually everybody closed, this joint 24/7. I was just hoping that it wasn't the sensors, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, damn, this is a new car. The sensors messed up already. So, but yeah, it's too much air in the tire, though. I gotta let some of this air out. But other than that, man, I'm good to go. As y'all saw, it was a big old nail on that joint. I don't know where I got that from. But, you know, you never know. I had to switch cameras, but that phone died on me, bro. But like I said, man, I was just hoping that it wasn't the sensors. I had to go get that replaced. And they gotta keep my daggone car and all that nonsense. So luckily, it wasn't that.
Prepare to keep left onto I-97 southbound after 3.5 miles.
Man, these streets are terrible, bro. I thought DC streets was bad. Come on, Glen Burnie. Y'all supposed to have money out here, bro. What's going on? Y'all, any of y'all from Glen Burnie, come on, man. What's up with these streets, bro? This is crazy. Golly. Man, this is ridiculous right here, bro. It's like I'm on a daggone roller coaster. They ain't gonna let me over. I'm gonna get over now. I ain't gotta tell me. I'm gonna get over. I'm in a Hemi. I'm gonna get over.